Anxiety can often leave us feeling tongue-tied, stuttering, or unable to express our thoughts clearly. Many renowned figures have faced similar struggles and have shared their insights on how to communicate effectively despite these challenges. In this article, we'll explore their tips and techniques to help you become more articulate no matter your level of anxiety. Embrace the power of preparation. Maya Angelou, the celebrated poet and author, once said, "I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel." Preparation is key to ensuring that your message resonates. When anxiety strikes, having a clear plan can bolster your confidence. Tip: before speaking, outline your main points and practice them. Familiarizing yourself with the content can reduce anxiety and enhance clarity. Practice mindfulness and breathing techniques. Emma Stone, the Oscar-winning actress, has openly discussed her experiences with anxiety and how she uses mindfulness to combat it. She emphasizes the importance of grounding techniques to stay present during conversations. Tip: before speaking, take a few deep breaths. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, and exhale for 4 counts. This simple technique can calm your nerves and clear your mind. Use pauses to your advantage. Barack Obama, known for his eloquent speeches, often employs strategic pauses. These pauses not only give him a moment to collect his thoughts, but also emphasize key points, making his message more impactful. Tip: don't rush your words, allow yourself to pause, think, and then speak. This practice can give you a moment to gather your thoughts and reduce feelings of anxiety. Alright, let's dive into the next tip. Focus on your audience. Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul and philanthropist, has really mastered the art of connecting with her audience. She suggests shifting your focus from your anxiety to the message you want to convey and the people you're speaking to. Now here's a tip. Visualize your audience as supportive and engaged. This mental shift can help ease your nerves and make your communication feel more like a conversation rather than a performance. #5. Practice active listening. Brené Brown, a research professor and author, emphasizes that effective communication is as much about listening as it is about speaking. When you listen actively, you can respond more thoughtfully and articulately. Tip: focus on what others are saying and ask follow-up questions. This not only helps you engage but also gives you a moment to formulate your response, easing the pressure of coming up with something to say on the spot. #6. Accept imperfection. J.K. Rowling, the beloved author of the Harry Potter series, faced numerous rejections and challenges before achieving success. She reminds us that perfection isn't the goal. Expressing yourself authentically is what truly matters. Tip: don't strive for perfection in your speech. Accept that mistakes are part of the process. Confidence comes from being genuine, not flawless. #7. Seek support and practice. Kristen Stewart, known for her roles in the Twilight series, has spoken about using support systems to help manage her anxiety. She suggests surrounding yourself with people who encourage you and provide constructive feedback. Tip: join a public speaking group like Toastmasters or practice with friends. The more you practice speaking, the more comfortable and articulate you will become. Conclusion. Becoming more articulate while managing anxiety is a journey that requires patience and practice. By embracing preparation, mindfulness, and the insights of those who have walked similar paths, you can enhance your communication skills and express yourself with confidence. Remember, even the most eloquent speakers have faced their own battles with anxiety. With determination and the right strategies, you too can find your voice and articulate your thoughts clearly.